everybody, my name is Firestorm, but I am back to bring you guys another video. Today we will be looking at the next video in my Windows ME series. We will be looking at Windows ME Beta 3 build 2499, and this is asking me for a beta ID. I assume you can type anything you want in this one, so it doesn't really matter. As you can see, I am actually doing an upgrade from the previous beta build that I did on Windows Millennium Edition. As you can see, it's starting to give more of a branding as Windows ME Millennium Edition. So we're starting to have a little bit of branding changes in this build. There are some builds in between this. However, I either did not have access to those builds, or I did not have the information to help me get the install dates, like such as BIOS dates, and I didn't know that. So I really apologize for that, guys, for the really big jump. However, it does mean that we can get into our other series a lot more quicker. We can get into our mini series of Windows Neptune, and we can also get into the big head honcho of it all, Windows Whistler, which is probably going to be one of my longest series that's going to be running in my channel. Anyways, here we go. We're starting up Windows ME. As you can see, some stuff has changed. There's some new icons on the desktop and all that nice jazz. So I'm going to tell you about this build in particular, just this build. This build was compiled on March 30th, 2000. Some of the notes on this build is that this build introduces an earlier version of Windows Media Player that is in Windows XP. It's still at version 7.0, but with new UI and icons, and it also replaces CD Player. As you can see here, we have Millennium Team. You can send bug reports to the Millennium Team. This is kind of like the one that was found in Windows Neptune. Actually, this help and support, but we will be looking at that once we actually get to see Windows Neptune, once we actually get to that process. Here we go. Look at this. We got some tour. We have a tour for Windows Millennium Edition. Entertainment and multimedia, home networking. So what's new? What's new? Easily add plug and play. So it's giving you guys just a rundown for the consumers of what Windows ME is actually capable of doing. So here we go. This page cannot be displayed, obviously. Alright, so that's pretty much about it about this little part of help and support. Oh, they actually have a tutorial on how to use the mouse. That's very nice. Oh gosh, this brings back memories all the way back to, whew, what is it, Windows 3.1 or something, that they showed you how to use the mouse. So practice moving the pointer, learn to click with the mouse. So practice clicking, and it gives you little inspirational little things right there. Right clicking and dragging, as you can see. Choose a city on the menu on the left. So look at that. Click a single option. That's nice. It's pretty cool. And sometimes you can add multiple options. Caption. It wants us to add a little caption. No. Okay, there we go. Congratulations, your vacation picture is finished. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, that's really nice. That's pretty cool. I like it. I really like how but this is definitely, you can definitely tell it's a home orientated operating system, so they gotta have this. And here we have System Restore. System Restore actually works this time. So let's actually put in a System Restore in here. Oh, an error has occurred. Oh, never mind. I guess System Restore doesn't work. Ah, great. I can't restore my system. Well, that's fine. That's great. Anyways, let's move on to the next segment. Here we go. My mouse is acting up. Let's take a look at Windows Media Player and see what this looks like. Oh, check it out. This is one of the early versions of Windows Media Player. It looks very nice. It has some... It appears for the first time. Oh goodness. Okay, so you have a media library. I don't have sound on this, so I can't really play the song that played on this, but I do believe in the next video, the RTM version, surprise, surprise, it's the RTM version, we will actually have sound in that one, because I'm going to be showing you guys the tour video that they made for Windows Millennium, and I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. You can most likely find this video on YouTube too. You'll be able to find the video on YouTube, so I'm just deciding to just play it for you guys so you guys can check it out, which is really nice. So here we go. We got our volume control. Name pinball. Here we go. Let's go to, where else should we go to? It's like my mouse is acting up. I'm sorry, guys. Let's go to Internet Explorer, properties. I don't know. I was trying to check the version number of Internet Explorer, but I ended up just trying to make it look like I wasn't doing anything there. Anyways, here we go. About Internet Explorer, we got Internet Explorer 5.5. Very nice, very nice. Here we go. So as you can see, still networking errors. You can set up MSN access, internet access. Don't check my modem. It wants me to have a modem. Here we got backgammon for Windows. That disappeared, okay. So Outlook Express, we got Outlook. Outlook looks a little bit, it actually looks the same. Nothing too different about Outlook, really. Oh, great. So I just set this all up so you guys can kind of see what Outlook Express looks like, so you guys have an idea of what we're looking at. Outlook. Here we go. So Outlook looks pretty much the same, nothing too different. Alright. Let's maximize this and minimize it. And close it. Anyways, let's go to channel viewer. Nothing here. Nothing really. So there we go. Let's go back to the start menu. Alright, so that's our media player playing. It actually is playing music. I had this on for a good chunk of the video of the whole beta build. So here we go. We still got phone dialer, net meeting. This isn't new per se, but this is the first time I actually seen it here. As you can see, the desktop thing changed right there, saying Windows ME Millennium Edition. I don't know why I went back to System Restore. System Restore is broken and it won't work, but I still insist. So there's our things there. System controls, entertainment, CD player is right there. Communications, phone dialer, system settings, system restore, system information, scan disk. And there we go. We got Windows Movie Maker. Check it out. Here's Windows Movie Maker. This is a new instance of a new program here that I talked briefly in my preview video. So here we go. We got our Internet Hearts, Internet Backgammon. You guys know these games. When you were bored, you would probably play them when you just didn't have anything else to do. We got the MSN messaging service, and here, let's check out the properties. It says right there, build 2499.3 to be precise. And it's starting to look, it's definitely looking like the final product. So you can see they've added little colors there. It's looking like more like the Windows ME-esque style. And that, I want to know, have you guys have any experiences with Windows ME? I don't know if my older viewers have actually had experience with Windows ME. Personally, I haven't. I didn't have to go through the deal with this operating system, if I could call it that, because, I mean, I did have a couple crashes, I did have a couple blue screens with these builds. It's as buggy as everyone makes it out. I mean, I wanted to give ME a chance, but it's very buggy, it's very glitchy, and I mean, it was just a rushed operating system. I mean, what else can you say? I mean, Microsoft only took what, almost like a full year on it, when they usually take like, they don't even take that long for their operating systems. They take like 2 years at least, or they at least try and put some time and dedication into it, but it doesn't look like they put much time and dedication into this one. I mean, the time's there, but it doesn't seem like they just wanted to rush it out. They didn't fully plan it out. I mean, it was a split-second decision to make this operating system, so, I mean, it's just bad. Here we go. We got our flying windows right here. Our wallpaper for flying, wallpaper, what am I saying? It's a screensaver! Flying windows. Here we go. Let's go to start. Didn't work. Anyways, let's go to user. Didn't work. Alright, so that's about it there. I think I've covered most of the things that... Oh, check out the control panel. The control panel changed. It's starting to look like the Windows XP kind of style control panel, with categories, which is very nice. I like that. That's really nice. That's actually very nice. Still have multi-user settings here, which is when they started to do the multi-users, to have multiple users on the computer. Automatically download updates. The mouse, here we go. Little click. Very nice. Oh, okay, so I think I've covered everything I can about this build. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly enjoy all the love and support you guys have been giving me throughout these builds. I hope you guys are really enjoying the series. I hope I pretty much covered the topics very well for you guys, and I hope you guys are really enjoying the Windows review series. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and share this video so everyone else can enjoy the knowledge of the Windows history and see how Microsoft started everything. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for all the support. Untitled, signing off.